Welcome to the Dayton Business Spotlight, your source for what's now, what's new.
Thanks for joining us for another edition of the Dayton Business Spotlight. Dayton is a very interesting town, and as we have noted in other videos, a real center of innovation. And one of the aspects of Dayton's history that's so fascinating is its manufacturing past and present. And we're here to help tell a little bit of that story. I'm joined by Al Hodap, who is the president of the Mound Manufacturing Corporation. Hi, Al.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit about Mound and how you got this peculiar name, and what is it that you all do now?
Well, we got the name from the Mound facility in Miamisburg, Ohio. That was a Department of Energy weapon site that was developed back in the 40s to develop new and classified devices for the nuclear industry. And we worked down there, and we had a unique opportunity to start a business when the Department of Energy was starting to shut down some of its facilities. So we got to start back in '94, and we do design, we build, and we fabricate very special components. So we do a lot of aerospace work, exotic materials, things that are unusual for most machine shops.
Now, I'm sure that in today's climate, those who are in manufacturing and doing well are doing so because they have a specialty. You all have a specialty, don't you? Tell us a little bit about that, and how is it different from what your competitors are doing?
Our specialty is that we basically work with a lot of exotic materials, tough to machine. We also do ceramics, plastics. So what we kind of look for our niche in the market is to do the jobs that other companies don't prefer to do. So we'll go after the highly specialized, and we'll build it from start to finish. Not just pieces of it, we'll do the complete for the customer.
Why is it so important to have these really tight, precise tolerances? What kind of equipment has that sort of requirement?
Well, our machining equipment on the floor is the newer generation can machine very close. Obviously, the tool makers are the real asset of the organization. And when they build tight tolerance parts, everything has to fit together because the customer is looking to have something that's error-free and will function in many different environments the same way.
Okay, so no mistakes tolerated.
That's correct.
So you are in the perfection business.
Yes, everything is inspected on the floor and re-inspected before it goes out, and it meets the customer's needs.
Okay. Al, how long have you been in the Dayton area?
I've been in Dayton all my life, and I really enjoy the Dayton area. It's got strong schools, and my children grew up here and really like the people.
Now, you've told me that you think Dayton is a pretty good place to do business. Can you tell me a little bit more about why you feel that way?
I feel Dayton has a lot of strong assets. They have a lot of very good people and honest people, highly technical people, and innovative companies. So there's a lot of business going on that they're looking on the cutting edge of research and development, and that's where my business fits in very well. And I feel the future is just going to get stronger and stronger with all the assets in the area, the company's growing, that I'm really looking forward to doing more and more of their work.
It's like a really tasty soup where you have all the ingredients in there in just the right proportions, and you're just waiting to eat it.
Yeah, just waiting to eat it, and the pot's getting bigger and bigger. We're
Yeah,
growing.
We are growing. It's very exciting.
Yes.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, Al.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for another edition of the Dayton Business Spotlight. Al used the phrase cutting edge, and we like to think that Dayton is on the cutting edge. We are a manufacturing town, we're an information technology town, and we have a lot of great things going on. Check out our other videos to see the stories of other excellent Dayton businesses. Thanks.